Hi there, just a very quick video today about that. That is the Drift GHOSTX. It's a 1080p 30 frames a second, does 720 and the lesser ones as well. It's I've had that 2 years. It'll be 2 years Christmas Day, and that's the one that I had on the side of my helmet. I've since moved it to the front of the bike under the headlight, so it gets a good view. Essentially, for what I needed it, brilliant. Recorded well, takes a decent size SD card, and not bad battery life. Standard battery, sort of up to 5 hours. I actually bought the extended battery. As you can see, it's quite a bit thicker than the one that's in there. That takes you up to 8 hours. Most of the time I found I was getting sort of 7 hours with it. But for the most part, been brilliant. A couple of episodes where it froze, wouldn't let me turn it off. So hit the reset button, which is in the flap next to the SD card. Hit that, turned off, no problems. The front lens cover, a couple of little chips in it and minor scratches, I suppose, where you wipe it, where you're riding along with grit on it and everything. So I thought I'd buy myself a new lens cover. 20 quid, £5 delivery from Drift. That arrived yesterday. Picked up the camera. Went to power it on, nothing, not a thing. So I thought maybe the battery was flat, so changed it, put that one on. I knew that one was fully charged. Powered it up, nothing. Took the SD card out, hit the reset button, tried it again, nothing. 2 days before, it was working perfect. Transferred all the footage to the PC, turned it off as normal, working perfect. I've tried everything that I could. I've tried both batteries, I've tried resetting it, I've installed the firmware, I've installed the firmware to the SD card, tried firing it up again that way, still nothing. So to me, it's either the on-off button or something inside is gone. I emailed Drift and given their due. They 7 minutes past 2 UK time in the morning, they've replied. He's given me lots of things to do, such as try charging it straight to the wall, which I did. Take the SD card out, tried starting out with that, which I've done. Try the reset, try all kinds of things. I've done everything they've said. It's still not entertaining it, so pardon the pun, it's given up the ghost. I've replied to their email, I've told them everything I've done. Obviously it's out of warranty because it's 2 years old. Just wondering if there's anything they can do with it, repair it, or whether there's a quick fix. Something I'm not doing. Be interested to know if anyone else has got one of these, whether they've had the same sort of problem with it, where it just won't turn on all of a sudden. Be interesting to see if people have managed to rectify it. I will keep you updated with what the outcome is with Drift. Sort of reading a few other people's communications with them. They haven't been very good, but we'll see. Say they got back to me fairly quickly. So we'll see what they do. It's but certainly if you were thinking of buying one of these for Christmas for someone else or even yourself, at the moment I would have to say don't. GoPros and what have you, DJI Osmos, yes, they're more money, but I think they tend to get less trouble. But as I say, let's be fair to Drift. Let's wait and see what the outcome is with them first. I'll keep you updated.